Welcome to day 22 of the Etsy Hacks 30-Day Challenge. And today's video is all about increasing your sales by marketing yourself to more languages. So let me show you what I mean. If you go to your shop manager and you go to settings right here and you go to languages and translation, if you are bilingual and you speak another language, whether you speak Spanish like myself, maybe you speak Polish, maybe you speak Italian, it doesn't matter. You could actually translate your store to that particular language and now tap into another marketplace, not only English, but now also Italian. And that could potentially increase your Etsy sales. So if you do speak another language, you have to make sure that you're able to hold a conversation with that customer, because if not, then you're not able to use it. So if you speak the language, you could go ahead and click here on Start Translating Your Shop, pick the language that you speak. So for me, it would be, let's say, Spanish. Save changes. I'm agreeing to the terms of conditions that I speak Spanish or I'm fluent enough to hold a conversation with a customer that has questions or placed an order on my store. Now from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change everything in Spanish. So my tagline, I'm going to write it in Spanish here. My shop announcement, I'm going to put in Spanish. My messages to buyers, I'm going to put in Spanish. My sections, I'm going to change them in Spanish. My about me and also my shop policies. So you will translate everything to that particular language that you just picked. And then that's all you have to do. Now Etsy will show your store to people that speak Spanish and to people that speak English, or to people that speak Italian and English, right? So it's gonna help you get more eyeballs to your products and services and get more sales. Let me know in the comments if you already knew about this hack. And guys, don't forget to show me some love by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. I will see you on the next Etsy hack video.